when I look back over my life, I've seen people who invested in themselves, they invested in relationships, they invested properly in their skill, in a business. But this one, looking after their own money well, so many of them got it wrong. It was such a paradox for me to discover that people, it's like 7A students, can mess up their own money affairs to this tune. While they're so smart, not evil, well educated, but when it comes to that part of their lives, they just lose it. And I don't know why. My best guess is I think we undereducate ourselves in the world of looking after our money. I really think it's that we overinvest in like making money and working hard and so on. We don't spare ourselves there. But when it comes to the result of that effort, what to do now, sure, we find a few mistakes.